So let's have a look at this. So anybody wants the schematic for this, they can have it. So Renogy 200 amp hour. In this box was the old gas locker, which I've tidied up, cleaned up, used a bit of the perf board, which stands for this. It's not this shape, it's going over, it's for access. So I was just putting in these handles glued down to strap the battery. So you have your on the outside and your 200 amp fuse, then your bus bar negative and positives are all on the sides. Only thing going off them is the inverter, and then the small wire is running round to the fuse box, which we're just in the middle of. So then you have the Renogy DC to DC, which is working great. Shore power, just simple shore power. The way you can connect the Renogy to it. And this is your solar disconnect. 200 amps on there, 200 watts on the roof. This is your DC to DC charger, 60 amp. And then there's one on the far side at the starter battery. And then just nicely wired up, nicely tidied up. Plenty of room for ventilation. And those are just nicely tied off. Then this will flip over and mount here and here. And then there's little screw downs. Yeah. So, very neat and tidy. There's the old dishwasher. Get that tidied in, getting a lot of paint on. Oh yes, and the Renogy Core 1 nicely mounted, which is excellent. Yeah, starting to get the cupboards in. Change your minds about the kitchen. Might use this. It's an old tabletop I had for a wee office. Fun, fun, fun.